Sunday, every man for themselves. Oh, KO!
Goodness!
Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, Sunday, every man for themselves. Oh, KO! Targeting the monster. Spam!
What?
Straight up delivery. You gotta be kidding me! Oh, did he do it? Did he get it? Someone get FEMA on the phone. I think we're gonna qualify after this disaster. Is he gonna deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claymore attack from out of nowhere! Targeting the monster! Spam! Great ball! Straight up delivery! The unbelievable resurrection for the Undertaker. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claw!